Hello. I have been receiving several questions about what the event names mean. It's all actually quite simple, but I want to take some time to explain it so that you can understand what the event names mean and what their purpose is. So if you go to the learnercodes.com shop, you will see that every code has a dollar amount, and then there's an event, and this is the event name right here. So, for example, Amazon Web Services releases new events regularly. Then they release codes for each event. So all of these codes are for this specific event. That event name will show in the Amazon Web Services billing dashboard right here. So if you scroll down, if you add a code, one of the promotion codes we sell, you will see the event names right here. These are the same event names you will find in our website. So here is the main purpose of them. Each code is stackable a certain number of times. For example, this $25 code is stackable 5 times. This means that you can use up to 5 codes per account of this specific type. You can use different codes, but of this specific event name you can only use 5. If you try to use more than 5 codes, the codes will show as invalid, although the codes are actually valid. So it's very important that you keep track of the event names you use, and you keep track of how many codes you use for each event, because each event has a different number of stackable codes. For example, this code right here is stackable 3 times, and this $150 code is stackable 2 times. Some codes are stackable 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and up to 5 times. Some have been stackable 6 times in the past, but that was a long time ago. Nowadays it's mostly up to 5, and the average is 2. So make sure that you pay attention to how many times each code can be used per account. For example, this $25 code right here is only stackable 1 time, so you can only use 1 of these codes per account. If you use more than 1, it will show as invalid. So it's very important that you keep track of the event names, how many codes you use, and so on. So this is what the event names are for. You have to keep track of them. And then, as I already explained, once you add the codes on the Amazon Web Services billing dashboard, right here on the credits page, they will show right here with the amount used of the credits and the amount remaining and the expiration date. So it's all very straightforward. Just keep track of the codes you use. Just keep track of how many times you can use it, and then you will not have any problems. Thank you very much for watching this video.